हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू नीरजाज एल्गोरिथम। आज हम डिटर्मिनेंट का पार्ट 2 करने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें मैं ऐसा टॉपिक ले रही हूं जो कि है एडजॉइंट एंड इनवर्स, जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है बोर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। उनके एमसीक्यूज भी आएंगे, क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे, तो प्लीज स्टे विद माय वीडियो। ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट विद दैट नाउ। Topic is adjoint and inverse. What is adjoint? Cofactor and its transpose. Correct? Transpose means change of row into column, and cofactor already you know. If you don't know, comment in a comment section. I will explain that also. Now, A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon det of A. If you have 2 into 2 square matrix and you need to find out adjoint of A, you can do directly. What you will do, interchange their places and multiply with negative sign. बस ये याद रखना है, लेकिन 3 into 3 में ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. It's only for 2 into 2. The next property, A into adjoint of A is equal to det of A. I3 is equal to that. You can write as n because it can be a 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, whatever. So this is the formula that you have to use in the question. What do you mean by singular matrix? Singular matrix means when you are getting your det 0. अगर आपका डेट 0 है, इसका मतलब है इनवर्स विल नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ओके है. नॉन सिंगुलर अपोजिट वन, det of A is not equal to 0, A inverse will be existing. Now, AB is equal to AC. I am writing B is equal to C. Don't think it is a number or an alphabet. It is a matrix, so I cannot cancel like that also. So B is equal to C is true only when det of A is not equal to 0. These type of the questions are the previous PYQs. That is why be careful about that. AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. If A and B are invertible, then AB is also invertible. Invertible means it has A inverse. Now, if A is invertible, then A transpose का inverse और A inverse का transpose both are equal to each other. Det of adjoint A is equal to det of A to the power n minus 1. Mark it a star. Very, very important formula. Okay. Now, and K of adjoint of A. K means constant. Constant means any number you are taking. K to the power n into adjoint of A. All of you got the concept? Now we are going to start questions based on these topics. First question, if 0 is less than x is less than pi and matrix is this 2 sin x 1, 3 2 sin x is a singular one, find x. How I will find out x? The range is 0 to pi, means first quadrant and the second quadrant. Because it is an singular, so I will write down det of A will be 0. How I will find out det of A? Multiply 4 sine square x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it will be 4 sine square x is equal to 3. Sine square x is equal to 3 by 4 and sine x is equal to plus minus of root 3 upon 2. अगर आपने साइन x को प्लस रूट 3 बाई 2 लिया तो आपका आ गया एंगल 60 डिग्री पर होता है, तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू साइन पाई बाई 3 विच इज इक्वल्स टू x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3. yes, it belongs to that interval whatever is given. Next is sin x is equal to माइनस रूट 3 बाय 2. माइनस रूट 3 बाय 2 का मतलब हो गया इट जम्प टू द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, और मैं थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट यहां पर आपका है ही नहीं, तो आप क्या करेंगे, यहां पर ये वैल्यू इग्नोर करेंगे. तो दिस इज योर आंसर, x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 3. If A is a square matrix of order 2, then det of A is given 4. you need to find out the det of 4 of adjoint of A. फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूं अभी। तो आपका k इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A का फॉर्मूला क्या हुआ? k टू द पावर n एडजॉइंट डेट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ A, करेक्ट है? नाउ k क्या, ये n क्या है आपका? n है आपका ऑर्डर 2। k आपका write down here, det of 4 adjoint of A is equal to 4 to the power 2 adjoint of A. अब det of adjoint of A क्या होता है? That is equals to det of A n minus 1. परफेक्ट। तो अब यहां पर आप वैल्यूज पुट कर दीजिए। 4 का स्क्वायर हुआ 16, det of A is already given 4 to the power 2 minus 1, which is 16 into 4. Answer is 64. Got it, बच्चों? This is a very important question. Okay. Next question: if A is equal to alpha to 2 alpha and det of A cube is equal to 27, then what is the value of alpha? Now we know that det of A cube and det of A whole cube are equal. It is equals to 27. I will find out det of A is equal to 27, power will become 1 by 3 and it become equals to 3. I will find out det of A from the matrix, that is alpha square minus 4. This and this are equal and it become alpha square is equal to 7, which implies root plus minus of root 7. Understood, everyone? Now, this is the determinant and this determinant are equal. You need to find out x. We will use the property 2 minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 2x square minus 4 6 are 24. Now, 2x square minus 24, it become minus 18. 2x square is equal to minus 18 plus 24. 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18 is 6. X square is equal to 3 and x is equal to plus minus of root 3. Question done. Understood, everyone? If A is a square matrix of order 3 and det of A transpose is equal to minus 3, so you need to find out det of A into A transpose. I know that A and A transpose ka whole det will be also equal to det of A into det of A transpose, and also we know that det of A and det of A transpose are equal. That means it is equals to det of A ka whole square, or either you can write det of A dash ka whole square, which is equals to minus 3 into minus 3 and it become equals to 9. Okay, see how twisted these questions are. So you need to remember these formulas. Find K for which A is equal to this is a singular matrix. Property हमें पता है कि अगर वो singular है तो det of A 0 होगा. 2k square minus 32 is equal to 0. 2k square is equal to 32. K square is equal to 16 implies k is equal to plus minus of 4. Understood, बच्चों? If A is a square matrix of order 3 with det of A is equal to 9, find the value of det of 2 adjoint of A. फॉर्मूला लिख रही हूं, आप सबके लिए बार बार लिखती हूं कि आप लोग वो लर्न कर लो, ठीक है? तो k इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A is equal to k to the power n det of adjoint of A, which is equals to 2 to the power order is 3 by adjoint of A. Det of adjoint of A is equal to det of A n minus 1. It becomes 2 to the power 3 into 9, 3 minus 1. 8 into 81, which is equals to 648. Okay बच्चों? If A is a non-singular matrix of order 3 such that adjoint of A is equal to 225, find det of A transpose. First of all, formula लिखेंगे. Adjoint of A is equal to det of A n minus 1, which is det of A 3 minus 1 and det of A square. As we already know, det of A and det of A transpose are equal. That means I can write det of A transpose whole square is equal to 225 and det of A is equal to square root of 225, which is equals to 15 with plus minus. Got it? If the matrix A is equal to this 1 3 1 minus 1 1 0 2 minus 2 and 3, you need to find out adjoint of A without computing. मतलब हमें सबका adjoint नहीं find out करना है, डायरेक्टली आंसर कैसे निकाला जाएगा. याद करिए फॉर्मूलेज, अपने आप सब कुछ आएगा. तो अगर मैं यहां पर पहले डेट निकाल लेती हूं, फिर मैं आपको धीरे धीरे एक एक स्टेप से एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूं. तो क्या करना है, डेट ऑफ ए निकालना है. डेट ऑफ ए निकालेंगे तो 1, आई एम टेकिंग फर्स्ट रो ओनली, 3 माइनस 0 प्लस 1, 9 प्लस 2 प्लस 2, 0 माइनस 1. करेक्ट ना? 3 प्लस 11 minus 2. I will check it. Yes, it will be not equal to 0. That means A is non-singular. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगर वो नॉन सिंगुलर है तो मेरा फॉर्मूला एग्जिस्ट करता है. क्या है वो फॉर्मूला? एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू डेट ऑफ ए एन माइनस 1, विच इज इक्वल्स टू, ऑर्डर आपका 3 into 3 है, it become 3 minus 1, det of A is power 2. What you got det? 12. That means 12 into 12, which is equals to 144. Understood? हमने कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस एडजॉइंट इनवर्स पर करे हैं. तो अगर आप ये टॉपिक सिर्फ ये वीडियो भी देख लेंगे तो मैं गारंटी देती हूं कि आपके मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप इन वीडियो से जुड़ रहे हैं. ये पक्का आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, इसीलिए प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो. थैंक यू.